Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access the device storage on OneDrive. OneDrive is an application or a website built to store our files and data into the cloud where it is safe and secure from other hackers and different people as well. If you want to use OneDrive, it's really simple. Simply go onto your Google Chrome browser, search for OneDrive on your search bar and then log into your account, or you can also sign up. Now, after signing up into your OneDrive, to access your computers or file explorer's data on your OneDrive, all you have to do is click on this, where if you allow the access your memories option, you'll be able to access all of your memories you have on your OneDrive from all of the devices that you log in your OneDrive account with. If not, you can also directly click on this add new option and now upload the files and folders directly into the OneDrive, where now you'll be able to access them as well if you just log into your OneDrive account from any other sites or any other device as well. And that is how you can access and store your File Explorer files and data from your PC directly into your OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.